savoring the delight of tomato and potato cuisine. Welcome to the world where tomatoes meet potatoes in a culinary dance like no other. Let's dive into the magic of tomato-potato eating. Imagine a garden where these two staples grow side by side. Their journey from the soil to your plate is a fascinating one. First, we have the humble tomato, ripe and bursting with flavor. Its tangy essence is the heart of many dishes. Then, there's the versatile potato, ready to be mashed, fried, or baked. Its comforting texture complements the tomato's zest perfectly. Together, they create a symphony of flavors. Think of a steaming bowl of tomato and potato soup, a blend of comfort and zest. But it's not just about taste. These ingredients are packed with nutrients, making every bite a step towards healthier eating. So, embrace the simple joy of tomato-potato eating. It's a celebration of flavor, health, and the magic of simple ingredients coming together.